What's going on? Today I'm showing you guys how to build the easiest raised garden beds in the world. All you need are two items to get started. You need the wood and you need the corner pieces. Check these out. Now these corner pieces are cement. I got them at Home Depot. They were only a few dollars a piece. So you just need some of these, some wood, and you're good to go. You want to make sure your wood is not pressure treated. This is yellow pine. It's not as good as cedar, but it's up there, so it'll last many years. Important thing is to not get pressure treated, so you don't want those chemicals and stuff they use to leach into your soil and into your fruit and your food. So yeah, that's all you need. Boop 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 boop. So originally we were gonna have it right here in the front of the house. You can see this area right here, this rectangle. That's from a tarp I had down to kill the grass. And then this is the pile of composted horse manure that I was going to use in the beds that we built. So we decided to put the beds over here instead, to either side of this walkway that we have to our fire pit. That way we could put some trellises down to have some vining plants and a little, little tunnel. Thought that would be kind of cute and it will look better. It's right outside our back door here. So yeah, that's why we decided to do it back here instead. But unlike the front, I'm not going to be using a tarp to kill the grass. I'm just going to put the cardboard down and go straight to it because I already have sweet potato slips I want to put in. And they're ready to be put in right now, and I don't want to harm them anymore. So they're in a mason jar of water right now. So they need to get in the water. They're rooted up and ready to go. So yeah, that's why I'm not going to do the tarp method, but you'll see what I do. It's pretty easy. So this is what it looks like. Here's the corner piece, and the 2x8s I got just slip right in. You connect them up and you make a raised bed. That's all there is to it. And just like that, we got a raised garden bed, guys. Bam! Raised garden bed. Super easy. Anybody can do it. Might get another one for either side. make it look a little nicer. But yeah, that's all it takes. What I'm gonna do now is line the bottom with cardboard to create a weed barrier so grass can't grow through. After that, you just add your soil and amendments and you're good to go. If you want to step it up a notch, you could even put in some tree limbs and stuff like that on the bottom of it. It helps fill space. It also breaks down over time, gives things something to eat, and microorganisms a place to live, stuff like that. But yeah, super simple. This is probably the easiest garden bed to ever put together. Corner posts, wood. Make sure this is non-pressure treated and you're good to go. Alright, so these are the garden beds. Down the path to the chill spot. So they're 4 feet wide-ish, 8 feet long. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have an archway right here for some trellising plants because it'll look nice. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Now I just got to fill it up with some wood. Putting down some tree branches because a neighbor of mine had a tree get hit by lightning and a branch fell. So I cut that up for them and got it off their fence with a chainsaw, and I'm going to put those pieces in there on the bottom and then fill it up with soil, and that's it. The wood is going to break down over time along with that cardboard barrier, which will provide nutrients and biomass for the soil, which is what we want. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Now you just got to fill them up, guys. Yeah. I'm going to add another layer right here so it just looks better and there's not a gap. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.